You are not stuck. You are just scared to decide. Let's be honest. Alam mo, maraming tao, they stay in the same place not because wala naman talagang option or feeling nila wala naman talagang choice. Pero ang tunay na rason is because they keep waiting for perfect opportunity and perfect timing before moving. Pero ang clarity, it doesn't come before decision. It comes after taking action. You move first, then the road will start to reveal itself. Kaya kung meron kang mga desisyon, panindigan mo na yan. Don't look back. Don't make a choice and then find reasons to regret it. Move and live with it. Do not find any justifications to regret. Don't overanalyze. Don't romanticize the what-ifs. Suggestion ko, huwag ka na nga mag-what-if eh. Kapag nag-decide ka, just move forward with it. Because the truth is, indecision will kill momentum faster than failure ever will. So decide, live with conviction, and let clarity meet you halfway.